Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you the features which I love in my Nissan Magnite. This is the XV Premium Turbo optional model. So first thing which I like are these projector headlamps over here. They look very good at the night. I'll just switch them on and I'll show you. So this is the bi-projector headlamp. This is just a parking light. This is the side indicator. This is the DRL boomerang shaped, and this is the fog lamp. Full front setup is LED setup. As you can see, the fog lamp, DRL, and the headlamps. The throw you can see over here. It's not dark yet, but I'll put a clip at which I've shot at the night. Now I have come inside. Now it's not fully dark. Still, I'll show you the throw of the headlights, LED headlights. So now the side light is blinking. Okay, the brightness which you're seeing outside, it is of the DRL. I'll show you. The brightness which you're seeing, it is just of the DRL. These are the DRLs. Okay, I'll turn on only first position, which is the parking, and I'll turn on the fog lamps. So these are the LED projector fog lamps. Okay, now I'll turn on the headlights. So this is the low beam of the car. This is the high beam. This is the high beam direct if I do. This is how the tail lights look. These tail lights are not LED, they are halogen, normal halogen, but all four of them do light up. This is the split tail lamps setup. So the next feature which I love is the 360 parking camera. The front one is located over here. There are two on both the mirrors. You can see this one over here, and the rear one is here, located just above the number plate. Here we can't see it, but it's there. I'll show you how it actually works. If you get inside and press the start button, you get this cool animation over here. So you have to tap this camera button. So this is the front camera which you're seeing. There's a car over there, so you can make out. So this is the front. This is the 360 front, left, right, and the rear. So if you tap this once again, it shows you the left side camera and the front. But if you switch it in the rear gear, this is the rear camera. So the brightness which you're seeing over here is actually of the DRLs because the lights are off. But now if I'll turn it on to the parking light and the fog lamps, I'll keep it on. So now this you can see the fog lamp, and now headlights. See, digital instrumental cluster. I'll show you. I'll just tap this button and it will show the cool animation. I'll show you once again. Here the Nissan Magnite arrives. This is, some people might think that it looks cartoonish, but according to me it looks good. So here is the source button to browse through this instrument cluster. So the first is your speedometer, then it shows you the fuel economy, and if I go down, it shows you the best score, fuel history. So till now, so then this is your trip A, and if you put button down, trip B. Then the next one, it shows your TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. Then this is your dimming control, which is the brightness of this screen. If I press OK and then I increase, it increases the brightness. So this instrument cluster display, it shows each and every thing of the car which you are doing. Like for example, if I open the door, it shows me which door I have opened. You can see I've opened my driver side door. I'll close it, it went. I'll open the passenger side door, it shows me that. It even shows if my boot is open. I'll open the boot from here. See, now I'll just keep the boot. It's not locked. As you can see, the boot is not locked. See, so it even shows that the boot is open. See. So the next feature which I like are the seats. These are nice, comfortable bucket seats which are present in the Nissan Magnite. The bolstering and all is very good. The bucket seat, it literally holds you in place. There's nice comfort and backrest. Nice amount of high support, and it can be adjusted in 6 ways: front, back, forward, backwards, and height as well. So it is good. Even the seats at the rear are quite good. The angle, recline angle and all is very nice. So the next thing which I like of my Nissan Magnite is the turbo engine. 1 liter turbocharged engine. This is the 1 liter turbocharged engine which produces 100 PS of power and 152 Newton meters of torque in the CVT variant. Since mine is a CVT, so it's 152 Newton meters, and in manual it produces 160 Newton meters. The turbocharged engine is very peppy and very powerful. CVT transmission is just a belt, so there are no actually gears in that, but the Nissan has simulated that changing of gears here, so you can see it in the speedometer. The RPM drops as the gear shifts, as actually there's no gear shift. They have just simulated that. There is that rubber band effect in this, but not as much as their previous cars. I do on the Nissan Sunny as well, but in the Nissan Sunny the rubber band effect is way too much. Overtaking is very easy in this car. It even has insulation over here. The last thing which I like are these roof rails. These are functional roof rails. It can hold up to 50 kgs of max weight. So me being a cyclist, I can mount a roof rack above there and carry my cycle wherever I want. So these were features which I like of my Nissan Magnite. So again I'll tell you, this is the XV Premium Turbo CVT optional variant. So yeah. So if you like this video, you can give a thumbs up and like, share, comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.